Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad X1. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 won't turn on, it can be a frustrating experience. This issue may arise from various factors, such as a faulty battery, damaged power connector, or even issues with the motherboard. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To get started on the repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery or power connector, depending on the diagnosis. First, let's open the device safely. Begin by turning it upside down and removing the screws located at the back panel. Make sure to keep track of the screws as you will need them later. Using the plastic spudger, gently pry open the back cover to avoid damaging any clips. Once the cover is off, you can identify the battery and the power connector. If the battery appears swollen or damaged, it is likely the culprit. To remove it, disconnect the battery cable carefully. If it's the power connector that's faulty, locate it on the motherboard, and gently detach the cable connected to it. When replacing the component, ensure you are using the correct type of screws. These are typically Phillips screws, and be careful not to over-tighten them as this could strip the threads. While working, pay attention to nearby components to avoid causing any accidental damage. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have replaced the faulty component, reconnect any cables you may have disconnected and replace the back cover. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, and ensure everything is tightly fitted. Finally, power on the device to check if the issue is resolved. If your Lenovo ThinkPad X1 still does not turn on, further diagnosis may be required. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you charge your device with the original charger and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. Regularly check for software updates, as these can sometimes fix underlying issues that may lead to power failures. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.